It can feel like staring at a blank page forever trying to come up with a brand tagline. Most beginners struggle to land on something memorable. Creating a tagline that sticks can feel impossible, but AI makes it quick and easy. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause the video if you want to copy it exactly or tweak it for your own brand. In Moments, you get 10 creative options to choose from, giving you a strong starting point for your brand identity. You can pick one as is or adjust it to fit your style. But a tagline alone won't build your brand. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to turn AI generated branding ideas into a complete business identity, guiding you through every step in 5 beginner-friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the AI strategy call to refine your messaging and the copy and paste AI command database, packed with resources to help you move from idea to action fast. Turn a handful of AI generated taglines into a full brand identity. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how, and it's just $17 to start. Grab the link in the description and start branding today.